wrong with them?
Sir, ad nodide sir.
Ad nodidre sir ಏನ್ ಸರ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ ಸರ್? ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ ಏನ್ ಸರ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ?
ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಅವನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ.
Hey, come dude. Guys, please help us. We were flowing, we were doing our hoop stuff here, and now we have ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. And ಅವ್ರೇನೋ ಇವಾಗ ಮೀಡಿಯಾಲಿ ಡ್ರಗ್ಸ್ ಕೇಸ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆ ಕೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ? see this and we were flowing hoop. He's just trying to get attention and do all this, and she tried to hit us. We have video proof of her trying to hit us, and it's wrong. This is wrong. People coming and telling, trying to attack somebody just because they're doing something in public and dance like we're hoop flowing in public. This is just wrong. This is sir idu tappu sir. He's talking about drugs and stuff which is not true. He's trying to put us in the wrong. Sir, you police bandidira. I want to, you know what, sir, you have come ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು talking ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದೇ ಬೇರೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಏನೋ ಬೇರೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಅವರೇ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅವ್ರು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್. ಕಮಿಟಿ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಇವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಂಡಿಸೆಂಟ್ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಲಿ, ನಾನು ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಬಿಚ್ಚಾಕ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಏನ್ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಬಿಚ್ಚಾಕ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ? I am wearing a sports bra and pants. If anybody wants to see, I was wearing a sports bra and pants, and I'm with two girlfriends of mine, and I'm walking out here. I was wearing this, and they're asking me to strip. This is what I was wearing. And walking out by myself with two of my friends, and she came and tried to hit us, and now they're telling us we are wrong. Sir, tappu sir. And now they're talking about drugs just like that out of the blue. Just because ivaga kannada industry alli drugs ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ they're trying to talk about drugs, and in the background they're trying to say Samyukta Hegde is doing drugs and shit. This is how people are. Andre ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಪಾಡಿಗೆ ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, and this is what is happening here. Coronavirus time, and we are social distancing, and this is what they are doing.
Social distancing alla man, in first decency kalko.
Ma'am, please ma'am, ನಾವು ಡಿಸೆನ್ಸಿ ಕಲ್ತಿದೀವಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೊಡಿಯಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ನೀವು ಹೊಡಿಯಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್?
ಹೊಡಿಲೇಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತಮ್ಮ. ನಿಮ್ ತರ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಗಾ ನಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ
Oh my god, Nanga. Can you hear this? Nanga naach. She's talking so atrociously.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬನ್ನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ತವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಕಲಿಸಬೇಕು.
ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಸರ್? ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್. ಸರ್ ಏನ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ
ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಡಾನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್. ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪುಟ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆನ್ ಯು.
ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದು ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ರು ಸರ್. You know, they tried to hit us, and they're asking us to go. They're asking us to leave because they tried to hit us. And they're asking us to leave. This is so wrong, and he's trying to, just because I'm an actress, he's trying to defame me like this. They're trying to defame me like this. This is so wrong. This is so so wrong.
I want to file a case on you.
We also want to file a case on you, ma'am. Ma'am, you file a case on us. ನಾನು One second. Guys, everybody is asking us to solve the problem.
No. It's not a problem at all. You just make it a sentence, no regret, and get out of here. Why you make a scene here?
They are trying to defame us and talk like this. Sorry, sir.
See, it happened. We cannot do this.
See. We were hooping, and this is what they're talking. Yes, of course, sir. We are listening.
ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೋದ್ರೆ
Yeah, you know what? We'll go and we'll just talk outside. We'll just wait for Bharatya. We'll talk to the cops. Sir, banni sir, now aache maatadana please. They're just they're talking. I mean, you can check me. This is nonsense. Sir, ನಾವ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೀವಿ ಸರ್, ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಇದು ಸರ್ ಅದೇ 1 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, ಇದು ತಪ್ಪಂತ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅನ್ಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್? ಈ ತರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇದು ಡ್ರಗ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಇದು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಲಿ ಸರ್, ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ನಮ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇದು ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ತರ ಯಾವ್ದು ತಪ್ಪು ಸರ್? ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಸರ್? ತೋರಿಸಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಹೊಡಿತಾ ಇರೋದು ಸರ್. ಅವ್ರು ಹೊಡಿ ಇವಳೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು? She tried that lady. 3,500 people are watching. Yeah, you can talk, please. Yeah, please listen to this.
They're stripping in the public.
Stripping. They're talking this stripping. Walking around in sports bra is stripping. This is how they. And that guy is stuck. That guy is stuck with saying this guy. ಆಚೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, we're not going. Sir, ಇದು social distancing. ನಾವು ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. We'll wait by ourselves. They're not even leaving us, they're just following us.
We're not letting you go. You have to come to the police station. Chalo to the station. Police station.
Stop screaming, ma'am.
Chalo, police station.
We'll go.
Indecent behavior in public.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾರ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡೋದು
ಇಷ್ಟ ಬಂದಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
ಸರ್ ಅವ್ರು ಇವಾಗ ಅದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಅದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀವು? ಸರ್ ನೀವು? How they come in? They are my two friends. She tried to hit her, and we have it on video. We're showing it to the cops, and the cops are still taking their side. They're still supporting her, and they're asking us to leave. Wow.
They are coming to proper dress. They can't come to park also proper dress here.
These are around here.
This is so wrong. Forward thinking. I wore my pullover and came to this spot. There was nobody there. We were working out by ourselves. Once I finished my warm-up, I took off my pullover, worked. We did our workout, and she came while we were doing our workout, and she tried to attack us. She hit my friend, just like that. This is and they're.
ನೀವು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅದೇನೋ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ
ಸರ್, ನಾವು ಡ್ರ್ಯಾಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಇದು ತಪ್ಪು ಸರ್. Why can't we stand for what is right? Why can't we just stand for what is right?
I'm asking something.
Sir, why can't we stand for? Sorry, 1 second. Why can't we stand for ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇರೋ ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವ್ ಯಾಕೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು?
ತಪ್ಪು ಸರಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಯಾಕೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಜನ ಸೇರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ನಾವು ಸೇರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅವರೇ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೊರಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಏನು ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ.
Indecent behavior in public.
Please ma'am, please talk properly.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಬಂತು.
ಇಲ್ಲ
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಬಂತು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇವಾಗ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಬಂತು.
ಅವಾಗಿಂದ ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿರೋದು.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಮೇಡಮ್? ಇದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕಮ್. Just come.
ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
You can't touch me.
ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಸೋಶಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಈಗ ನಾಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
How do you go out? You've locked the gate. They've locked the gate so that we don't go out, and people are just following us like this. They've locked the gate. I hope you guys can see this. They've locked the gate so we can't go out. They've locked the gate so we can't go out. Please.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.
Sir, we'll do this. ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ ಜೊತೆ sir, we are ready to talk to you. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಸರ್? ಇದು misbehaving ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್? We are ready to talk to the cops, but
Not ready. You are coming to the police station. That's all.
yeah,
You are coming to the
ma'am,
police
open the
station.
gate. They've locked us inside. They've locked us inside. They've locked us. He's opening the gate now. Open ಮಾಡಿ.
ಇದೆ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ.
Open ಮಾಡಿ. He's locked the gate.
ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ.
Somebody please help us. He's locked. Open ಮಾಡಿ, lock.
These are the girls who are misbehaving in the Agra lane.
Sir, you've seen us here. Sir, ಅವ್ರು ನಮ್ಮ ನೋಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿ.
I have seen these girls. They don't misbehave. They come to do their exercise. I'm a doctor at Apollo. I'm a consultant. I have seen these girls. They have not misbehaved. They come. They do their exercise. They work out and they go. They have not misbehaved.
Sir, they have locked us. Can you please open it? Open Madi. Open Madi. Sorry, we'll go. We'll open. They just like.
My view. This is my view.
Ma'am, this is.
Where is that boy?
Nano. Sir, it's open Marti, sir. Sir, it's open. Hello, Bharat. Sir, ನಾವು ಕಿರಿಚ್ತವಲ್ಲ ಬರತ್ತೆ ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ. They have locked us inside. Gate open ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಜನ ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಜನ like just like are crowding. Let's go out. ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಅದೇ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರು ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಟಾಕ್ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಬರೋದು ಕೊಟ್ಟು. I'm glad I went on this live. Otherwise, they would have said so many atrocious things that are not true. ನಾವೇನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಲೈವ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. ನಡೀರಿ. ನಾನು Why is he? He's locking us. He's locking us. He's locking us. He's locking us. He's locking us.
Social distance, mama.
He's so ಕೈ ಬಿಡಿ. ಕೈ ಬಿಡಿ. ಕೈ ಬಿಡಿ. ನೀವು ಕೈ ಬಿಡಿ.
Sir, ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ please.
ಸರ್ ಕೈ ಅಲ್ಲ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? ಇವಾಗ ಪೊಲೀಸ್
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ we'll only come out now. ರೆಡಿ ಇದೀವಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಮಾತಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಡೋರ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
I'm at a party I don't wanna be at, and I don't ever wear a suit and tie. Wondering if I can sneak up
ಸರ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಬರಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಧರಣಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
He just hit me. I'm shaking. ಸರ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಆಚೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಸರ್. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸರ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. People have just surrounded.
Sir, ask all the men wearing shorts to leave, then they can leave.
Thank you, man. Thank you so much. Thank you. ಸರ್ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್. ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಿಸ್ಬಿಹೇವ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಆಚೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾತಾಡೋಣ ಸರ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ಟಾಕ್ ಔಟ್ ಸರ್. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಬನ್ನಿ ಆಚೆ. Fuck. This is so wrong. ನಾವು hoop flow ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. And she just tried to come and hit us. What is this filter? ಆ ಲೇಡಿ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ನಾವು ಆರಾಮಾಗಿದ್ವಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ವಿಲ್ ಟಾಕ್ ಸರ್. ನಾವು ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಹೊರಡೋಣ ಸರ್. ನಾವು ಸರಿ ಬನ್ನಿ ಸರ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸರ್. ನಾನು ಹೊಯ್ಸಳ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಸ್ ಟು ಕ್ಲೈಂಬ್ ಹೊಯ್ಸಳ ಎಲ್ಲ. ನಾವೇನು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಗಾಡಿ ಇದೆ ಸರ್. ಆ ಕಡೆ ಇದೆ ಆದ್ರೆ ಸರ್. ಆ ಸೈಡ್ ಇದೆ. ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. Can you just call Pavan? Give Pavan's number. No. I'll have to stop the live. Ma'am, one ನಿಮಿಷ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ನಾನು ನ್ಯೂಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡೇ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ. ನಾನು ಗಾಡಿ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಹತ್ತಬೇಕು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್? ವೈ ಡು ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕಮ್ ಇನ್ ಹೊಯ್ಸಳ? ಅವ್ರು ಅದನ್ನ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಓನ್. ಸರಿ ಓಕೆ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವಾಕ್ ವಿತ್ ಅಸ್. ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ನಡೀತೀರಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ? ಸರ್ ನಮ್ಮವ್ರು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಕಡೆ ಗೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಲ್ಸಿದೀವಿ ಸರ್ ನಾವು ಗಾಡಿ. ಹೌದು ಸರ್ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೌ ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಕಮ್? ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಸರಿ ಸರ್ ಬನ್ನಿ. ವಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನೀಡ್ ಅ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. Shit, I can call Pavan, but I'll have to stop the live. 1 second guys. Yeah. Give me his number. Time is saying na. Yeah, dude. 1 second. My dad will kill me. Let's just leave. You can't just leave now. Okay. Like now they are ಭರತ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಪವನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಪವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಭರತ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡು ಅಲ್ಲ ಗಾಡಿ ಹತ್ತಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅದಷ್ಟೇ ನಾನು ಕಮ್ we'll wait here no we'll wait here we have done nothing wrong no we have done nothing wrong thank you man thank you there's some people at least who understand that it's wrong to call to say something like this and do things like this. There are lady police here now. They are forcing us to go to the police. Oh, Pawan, he's on the other gate. I'll send him. You have message him on Instagram or something.
Excuse me.
What happened, run sir?
They give bites because they are giving the bite.
Run sir.
You are not interested.
Run sir. So it so happened that we were working out and this lady came and she tried to hit one of us. We were three girls working out by ourselves. We were flowing the hoop and she called it cabaret dancing, called it ring dancing.
You need witness, you call me. I'm a doctor
Yeah.
at Apollo.
There you go. He's a
No,
doctor.
these girls are not misbehaving. They were doing their exercise on their own. They are fine. I don't see anything wrong. I don't know why they are being accused.
Yeah, this is just so wrong to plainly come and say that your clothes are wrong and you're doing cabaret dancing and this is ring dancing and cabaret dancing, and she tried to hit her and we have it on video. So